Alright, ready? So today I'm going to show you the absolute fastest way to find any number in binary. Just excluding negative and fractions and decimals because that's a little bit outside of the scope. It's a little bit harder. That's never going to take just 2 minutes. But yeah, basically wanted to go ahead and work off of what this one guy had. His was kind of, it was okay, but it wasn't awesome because he required you to write from right to left. And, as we don't do that in like English-speaking countries, we write left to right. So this one's not going to have you writing right to left. So let's just go ahead and say we get a random number, back like in university, they were like, hey, take this number, tell me what it is in binary. So we got 81, right? So we're going to take 81, and we're going to go and turn that into binary. So what you're going to do is just write your number, and then make 2 vertical lines, and then just divide your number by 2. And so in this case, dividing 81 by 2, we're going to get 40 with a remainder of 1. And just keep doing that. And you know when to stop when you reach the bottom and you get 101, because that's never going to fix itself. You can't divide 1 by 2, at least not evenly. And then, so you read your number from bottom to top, and you write normally. You write left to right, and then that's your binary number. So you got 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 base 2, and that is the fastest way to find any number in binary.